Today we'll be looking at Magic Newton for a possible long, and as far as I'm concerned, we are still on an uptrend. After this bullish momentum, there was a serious correction here, and you can see that this level there is a strong support because after this level there is also a reaction upwards. Although we have lower highs, we still haven't broken the low here. So we have a higher high here from this previous support. We have a higher low here. So between 0.075 and 0.06915 is a no trade zone for me. So for me to open a long position, I'll be waiting for price to break above 0.0743. So once price breaks above 0.0743, it will be an indication of a bullish move targeting where the previous level of sellers were at 0.083. So once it crosses there, I'll wait for a correction, possibly below the level it broke. And if it breaks below this level again, immediately it crosses this level, then I know that price has higher probability of going to meet the sellers and I'll open a long. Otherwise, if price breaks below 0.06932, it might be a sign that the trend is switching to a bearish trend, and it will most likely go back to this previous level of support. Then once it gets to this level of support, I will wait to see the reaction from the supports here. So that's what I see on Newton today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, observations, please let me know.